All right, let's also get you all the latest updates on the COVID-19 pandemic and the unlock phase across the country. Maharashtra has opened places of worship across the state from today. Religious shrines like Siddhivinayak Temple, Mumba Devi Temple, the Mahim Dargah, they've all opened their doors to devotees. The famous Shirdi Sai Temple has also finally opened. The Uddhav Thackeray government notified do's and don'ts for devotees to follow. Only asymptomatic persons will be allowed to pray inside places of worship. Of course, use of masks, social distancing, all of that is mandatory. Remember that this decision also comes weeks after a bitter face-off between the Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari and Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over the reopening of temples. The governor had in fact questioned Uddhav's Hindutva, citing the fact that he hadn't reopened temples in the state.
नहीं हुए, हम बाजू में रहते बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मंदिर खोल के।
पब्लिक को भी थोड़ा इसके बारे में भी केयर करना चाहिए बस, क्योंकि आज ही ओपन हुआ है तो थोड़ा बी केयरफुल।
मेरा पहला ही नंबर था। जैसे ही कल न्यूज़ ब्रॉडकास्टिंग किया, प्रोसीजर जो एसओपीज बताए वो हिसाब से मैंने अपॉइंटमेंट लिया। पहला ही नंबर लगा, मेरी डॉटर का सेकंड नंबर लगा और फिर हम लोग आ गए पहली बैच में। और बहुत अच्छा, ये नए साल के दिन मुझे पहला ही दर्शन मिला। मैं अपने आप को बहुत नसीबमंद समझता हूँ।
ये आज पहला दिन है, बहुत आनंद है। और पहले दिन में सुबह 4 बजे से भाविक यहाँ आना चालू हो गए और भाविक जो आते हैं उनका सब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, वो थर्मल स्कैनिंग, वो सब यहाँ करते।
And let me take this across to our reporters on the ground. We've got Pankaj Kelkar joining us live from Shirdi, Amit Tyagi from Siddhivinayak Temple, Mustafa Sheikh from the famous Haji Ali Dargah. Amit, to you first. Good morning. Siddhivinayak Temple sees usually huge crowds gathering. That was pre-pandemic. What's the situation today with the temple opening?
Good morning, Akshita. Right now, this is the live from Siddhivinayak Temple. And now they have issued a QR code, and with that QR code, people are going inside. So the people may be coming in less numbers because they're not aware about the procedure. But whoever I just spoke, the first batch entered, because now the entry is happening batch-wise. People are not queuing and hustling and jostling inside to go inside the temple, but they're going in batches. The first batch has gone with the QR codes, and right now if you see there's sanitizers and lots of, it's the new normal of visiting a temple. It's not like the earlier. Next time you have to essentially use a sanitizer. Then there's a proper sanitization procedure. Through that, if you see, that is the scanner. You have to scan your QR code here, and only then you can go inside and have the visit of the temple. So that's the new normal of visiting Siddhivinayak Temple, which is known to be the most revered place in Mumbai. And right now, with this new system, the new SOPs, devotees are all excited. It's the Hindu New Year, first day, where people are going to see after 8 months, the most revered deity of Mumbai. That's Siddhivinayak.
Okay, Amit, stay on with us. I want to quickly take this across also to Pankaj Kelkar before I toss it to Mustafa. Pankaj, where you're standing in Shirdi, we saw a lot of protests also in the run-up to this moment of temples reopening and the not being given by the government. Now, do you see devotees happy, satisfied that finally the Shirdi Sai Temple has opened?
Akshita, over here at Shirdi pilgrimage, there are devotees thronging. But yes, on the other side, government has laid down rules. Only 6,000 devotees will be allowed throughout the day at Shirdi Devasthan. And out of that, only 3,000 will get chance through online booking. 3,000 will have to come over here and take a chance whether they get or not. Now with me, I have few of the devotees. They are from Pune. They had planned this trip. So let's talk to them. What did you see inside? Are you satisfied the way the rules are being followed?
Yes, we are satisfied because the social distancing is maintained very nicely, and hand sanitizing is also done. We are very happy to have the darshan of Sai Shirdi Sri.
सर क्या कहेंगे? प्लान करके आए थे?
प्लान करके नहीं, पहले से प्लान किए थे आने के करके।
ऑनलाइन बुकिंग किया था?
नहीं, हम पहले प्लान किए थे।
आप कहाँ से आए सर?
भिवंडी से आए हैं, हम लोग सोचा भी नहीं था कहीं दर्शन मिलेगा, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन तो बंद ही है, लेकिन इधर आने के बाद इजीली दर्शन हुआ। साईं बाबा का दर्शन बहुत
दिवाली का उत्सव, आज का भाई दूज का दिन और आज दर्शन मिलना कितना आपको लगता है महत्वपूर्ण है?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि दर्शन मिलने का तो मुश्किल ही हो रहा था, लेकिन पहला दिन है, पहले ही दर्शन मिल गया।
डर नहीं लगता संक्रमण हो जाएगा, भीड़ बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है?
नहीं, वो तो अपन सेफ्टी रखा है ना, सब मंदिर ने भी पूरा सेफ्टी का इंतजाम किया है अंदर।
अरे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
So here you have heard people are satisfied, they are happy that they got the chance to worship their Sai Baba. People are thronging over here, but the directions by the trustees over here, the CEO of this Shirdi Temple Trust, he says that only limited people will get chance, people should behave, people should follow the rules. Outside the temples there are people thronging, but yes, inside social distancing is being maintained.
Okay, let me take this across finally to Mustafa Sheikh. He's joining us live from outside the Haji Ali Dargah. Mustafa, just take us through the scenes around you. Do you see a lot of devotees coming to the Dargah on day one itself?
Well, Akshita, not really. It's a morning time and there are devotees which are coming in here. What is the most important part of the Haji Ali Dargah is a very iconic place in the city of Mumbai. Just next to it is Mahalakshmi Temple. So Mumbaikars, people who are visiting Mumbai also first go to Mahalakshmi Temple. There are normally a tika on their head, and now we have seen that they are going to the Dargah. It's been 8 months. It was unprecedented time that be it Dargahs, be it mosques, be it mandirs were closed for almost 8 months, and now the devotees are happy and enthusiastic about it, especially because the kind of day it's coming. It's an auspicious day, as Pankaj was telling us. The Bhai Dooj for the Gujaratis, it is the New Year, and for Marathis it's the Padwa. So this is an auspicious day on which this is opening up. But we are not getting to see crowds as of now. But yes, mostly all the administrations have organized it in a way in its time slot so that there is no crowding up. But there are basic preventions are being taken care of, like the body temperatures, masks made compulsory, sanitizers are being made available, and it's a walkway for Haji Ali Dargah, almost a 1 kilometer from starting from here. So people are not allowed to stand or sit anywhere inside the shrine, and they have to just come out after the darshan has taken place. So this is the kind of measures and precautions with which on the first day people are cautious. But yes, the religious places in Maharashtra and Mumbai have finally opened up. Back to you.
And let's hope that all the norms are followed through the coming days as well. Mustafa, Amit, as well as Pankaj, thank you for joining us this morning for the latest ground inputs.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.